Hi, third graders. Miss Lawrence here. Our learning target for today is we will learn about hurricanes. Students will know they are successful when they watch the video and complete the Google quiz with confidence. What is a hurricane? Have you heard the word hurricane before? Do you know where a hurricane occurs? Do you know what kind of damage they can cause? Well, let's check it out. What is a hurricane? Hurricanes, known as tropical cyclones, are low-pressure systems with organized thunderstorm activity that form over tropical or subtropical waters, like oceans. They gain their energy from warm ocean waters. Hurricanes are one of nature's most powerful storms. They produce strong winds, storm surge flooding, and heavy rainfall. That can lead to inland land flooding, tornadoes, and rip currents. As storm systems strengthen into hurricanes, the surface winds move continuously in a circular motion, and meteorologists refer to this pattern as closed circulation. The direction of circulation is different depending on where the storm is located. It is counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Rotating winds lead to the development of the eye, which is the eye of the hurricane. This center between where the arrows are, and you see that small circle, that is the eye of the hurricane. The eye is surrounded by the eye wall where winds are the strongest. Tropical cyclones are classified by their maximum wind speeds. Winds less than 39 miles per hour are called tropical depressions. Winds 39 to 73 miles per hour are called tropical storms, and winds 74 miles per hour or greater are called hurricanes. Hurricanes can reach speeds to 180 miles per hour with wind gusts at 200 miles per hour. Every tropical storm is different, just like we are all different. Let's watch a video.
Cyclone, typhoon, hurricane. All of these names are used around the world to describe the most powerful storm known to man. Hurricanes are unpredictable, but scientists have a thorough understanding of how hurricanes form and sustain their power. In the Atlantic Ocean, hurricane season peaks during the late summer months when tropical waters are the warmest. Hurricanes form from a cluster of thunderstorms that suck up the warm, moist air and move it high into Earth's atmosphere. The warm air is then converted into energy that powers the hurricane's circular winds. These winds spin around a low-pressure center called the eye, which can provide a 20 to 30-mile radius of eerie calm. Encircling it is the eye wall, a towering ring of clouds with some of the fastest wind speeds of the hurricane. Surrounding the eye wall are curved bands of clouds, the rain bands, often tens of miles wide, releasing sheets of rain and sometimes tornadoes. When a tropical storm's winds reach at least 74 miles per hour, it becomes a hurricane. The hurricane then receives a category ranking of 1 to 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, based on its wind speed and potential damage. But wind speed isn't always the most dangerous component when hurricanes come near land. It's storm surge. Storm surge is caused when winds from an approaching hurricane push water towards the shoreline up to 20 feet above sea level and can extend 100 miles. 90% of all hurricane deaths are the result of storm surge. While hurricanes can cause mass devastation, just like other natural disasters, they serve a higher purpose within the global ecosystem. Hurricanes help regulate our climate by moving heat energy from the equator to the poles, keeping the Earth's temperature stable. Over time, science has helped us to better understand hurricanes and predict their paths, saving lives through early warning systems and helping us build better infrastructure to protect our cities. The more we study these complex storms, the better we can prepare for them and minimize their impact on human lives.
Every storm is different. Each tropical system can bring a variety of unique and life-threatening hazards to any given location. It is critical to know your risk, especially if you live in a storm surge evacuation zone or in where flooding can occur. Even if you've previously survived a storm in your area, future hurricanes can bring hazards. Local officials will order evacuation in storm surge areas. Evacuation orders are released to ensure residents have enough time to leave their house and get out of the way of the storm. When a hurricane warning comes, be prepared to evacuate and do so immediately. What did you know about hurricanes? What did you learn about hurricanes? I hope you learned something, and you are going to do fantastic on your quiz.